He is a pro craftsman who makes Japanese traditional dream taiko and portable chain called mikoshi. He masters up to 80 tools and spent 3 years to make one taiko or mikoshi. One needs to train for 10 years to be a fine craftsman. Now we went to question how do they spend their daily life? Do they always involve in Japanese traditions, eating only Japanese foods and hobbies?
To tell the truth, they live just like us. The craftsmen gather up every morning to do radio exercise together, since it is important for them to keep healthy in order to continue the job even after they get old. We heard about a man who goes to work by a bicycle for health. Moreover, there are some of them who loves idol groups that goes to some concerts. They also play soccer games using their iPhones at night. What they do for work is completely different compared to what ordinary people do. However, ways they spend time in their daily life are not much different than us. Isn't it amazing